Hello folks, this is Scott Hayden from All Seasons RV, located right here in Streetsboro, Ohio, right off of State Route 14. Today we're going to go over the 2022 Alpha Wolf exterior and interior features that are the best features in the market. We're going to start off by looking at the 22 SW. Now this is a couples coach, but there are plenty of family floor plans in the Alpha Wolf line. So what I'd like to do is kind of tell you about the 22 SW. It is roughly 28 foot long, that's tongue to bumper, and roughly 5,400 pounds. So definitely half-ton towable. Looking at the exterior of this camper, this is fiberglass, folks. That smooth exterior has aluminum framing and a heated enclosed underbelly. But let's dive right into those top exterior and interior features. All of our Alpha Wolves come with a 27 marine grade series battery, 50 watt solar panel to the roof with a 30 amp inverter. Now it's already prepped to go up to 500 watts. So if you want to add some more solar panels, that's totally possible. Obviously, you have a battery disconnect right in here, and all of our Alpha Wolves come with the new 11 cubic 12 volt refrigerator. You'll roughly get about 60 hours as long as you're getting some sunshine out there, folks. What we have here is every Alpha Wolf comes with a standard power jack, able to lift 3,500 pounds for the tongue. It comes with this really cool docking light, so at nighttime you can hook up during the day, things like that. Very easy to see here. Folks, also, the roof consists of a PVC membrane over a 3/8 full walkable roof. The PVC roof is tear and puncture resistant, UV resistant also. This comes standard with any Alpha Wolf. No upcharge for this feature. Now let's take a look at the steps that come standard with the Alpha Wolf. Now if you're going with a two-door entry, these more ride adjustable steps, you'll actually have two of them. On our single units or the couples coaches, you will have one set. These are rated for 600 pounds, the more ride adjustable steps, and it has really cool feature to where you can adjust the legs on this just by a little push of the button, sliding them up and down. Once again, they max out at 600 pounds, but make your life camping a lot more easier for you folks. Let's take a look at the rear of the camper. Another really cool standard feature is the observation camera. Now this camera actually has a nighttime programmability, a speaker so you can communicate while you're backing up. Anti-fog lens on this camper, so those little bit foggier nights you can still see, which is great. Now this will go right into your iPhone or Android very easily, so that way you'll have that ability to communicate and use your phone on this observation camera. Now that we went over several exterior features, which there is plenty more to come look at here at All Seasons, I'd like to take you guys inside and look at some of the interior features. So come on inside with me. This is the 11 cubic 12 volt fridge. Actually runs off of your battery back to that solar panel. Will help run this. If you look here, this has a quick cooling system. 30 to 45 minutes to cool down the temperature. Now your typical propane was 5 to 10 hours. This has cooled that down, lasts longer. A great interior feature that you have with the Alpha Wolf. As another great feature, what we have here, all of our Alpha Wolves come standard with an AM, FM, Bluetooth, HDMI radio. Does come with a 200 amp subwoofer inside, two 3-inch speakers inside, two 3-inch marine grade speakers outside. Play your music in, play it out, play it both. Have a party time, have a great time camping. All of our Alpha Wolves come with a 5/8 tongue groove plywood flooring. What's great about this flooring in Alpha Wolf, if you've noticed, there are no heat vents. They're actually ducted to the walls. So that way you don't have to clean out the vents anymore, have issues like that. Just makes life easier and camping more fun. Another great feature on the Alpha Wolf is the 5,000 BTU fireplace. This thing's perfect for those cold mornings. Takes the chill off while you're having a cup of coffee. You can even change the colors, which is really cool. Blue, fire color, purple. Really great feature in the Alpha Wolf. I just want to point out here, folks, the zebra blinds. These are a great update. It lets you dictate the amount of light. In certain modes, when you have this set, it's actually blacked out, or you can let the light in. So these are really cool, really desirable. I hope Alpha Wolf keeps with them because we absolutely love them here at All Seasons. Just so you folks know, I only went over the 12 internal and exterior features, but this camper holds so much more. If you want to come take a look at it or have any questions, there's multiple things you can do. You can reach out to us at our website, ASRVS.com. Give us a call, 330-564-0222, or you can even text that number. Any inquiries or any information that you need from us, obviously we have a very professional sales force that are able to help you out. And guess what, folks? We don't do all those hidden fees. We're pretty much straight to it. We don't want to add a lot on the back end, being family owned. So from all of us at All Seasons RV, have fun out there and camping and enjoy life.